Christian out here for Insight Media. It's CES 2026. I'm in the Aumovio booth. I've just been outside here. They have a HUD demonstrator. This is a stereoscopic-based solution using a TFT display. And they have a lenticular array on top of that to create the stereo image. Big advantage of this is wide field of view. Get up to 15 by 8 degrees, which one of the advantages of that is you don't have to have vertical positioning of the HUD because of the wide field of view. Second, it's a very small volume. It's simply a TFT panel sitting flat in the dashboard, reflecting off the windshield. So that volume can be reduced to about, I think you said 8 liters. 8 liters from something of that size would be clearly more than 20 or 25 liters if you had conventional optics to do that. It is based on a panel from Epitone, San Diego-based company. It's still, I would call it a fairly early prototype because it's a panel that's not been optimized yet for automotive. It is eye-tracked, and so that image is not geo-located either, which means as you bob your head a little bit, that image bounces around a little bit. So they need to fix that. Also, they say the brightness can be up to 15,000 nits. It was not optimized in the demo. Here it's a little weak. And they're going to have to think about the contrast as well, too, because this is an LCD panel. Typically, you don't have a lot of contrast. So when you get in the dark environments, you don't want to have that postcard effect, that gray glow all around the image, which could be and would be very distracting. They're working on some stray light mitigation as well. And because it's a stereoscopic display, now you can adjust the virtual image from about 2 meters all the way out to infinity. And their demo shows, a car approaching, and it gets bigger, of course, as it gets closer to you. So there's clearly advantages to having an AR HUD like this. So I think there are others who are doing stereoscopic HUDs as well. But using an LCD panel is clearly going to be a lower cost solution, which gives them an option in the market. You can adjust the stereo image in software via warping because of the windshield. The big advantage here is you basically have one display solution that can go in multiple cars, and having that warping done in software is a big advantage. You don't have to have custom optics for each vehicle and each windshield in that case. Big advantage. That's about the story. Chris Janak here for Insight Media.